Welcome to our kitchen, where we're about to embark on a culinary adventure to create a delectable bowl of Ramadan fish soup. In this video, we'll share our special recipe for this nourishing and flavorful dish, perfect for breaking the fast during Ramadan. With tender fish, aromatic spices, and hearty vegetables, this soup is sure to warm your soul and satisfy your hunger. Let's dive in and discover the rich flavors of Ramadan together. Ingredients: 500 grams white fish fillets such as cod or tilapia cubed, 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves garlic minced, 2 carrots diced, 2 celery stalks chopped, 1 bell pepper diced, 6 cups fish or vegetable broth, 1 can 400 grams diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish, lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: in a large pot, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, diced carrots, chopped celery, and diced bell pepper. Sauté until the vegetables are softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the cubed fish fillets to the pot, stirring gently to combine with the vegetables. Pour in the fish or vegetable broth, stirring to incorporate all the ingredients. Bring the soup to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the fish is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Add the diced tomatoes to the pot, along with the ground cumin, paprika, ground turmeric, salt, and pepper. Stir well to combine. Continue to simmer the soup for another 5 to 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if needed, adding more salt and pepper if desired. Once the soup is ready, ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley. Serve the Ramadan fish soup hot, accompanied by lemon wedges for squeezing over the soup. Conclusion: there you have it, a delightful recipe for Ramadan fish soup that's sure to elevate your iftar table. Whether you're observing Ramadan or simply craving a nourishing bowl of soup, this dish is a perfect choice. Give it a try and enjoy the delicious flavors of Ramadan. Ramadan